Hello and welcome to Specifi. Today we're going to have a look at the About Us tab, which can be found in Sales Quote Config. The About Us tab allows us to add some information about our company that we can present to our customers on our digital sales proposal. We also have the ability for AI to assist you in generating this content. Should you wish for AI to assist you, you can open up the dialog box here, where you can add some details about your company. Its name, address, its age, year of establishment, and some basic words about what you do, and Specifi will generate a potential response. Sometimes those responses might be wordy, or you may like most of it, but not all of it. So with any text generated in Specifi, you can highlight specific parts of that text and use our tools to make shorter, simplify, rewrite, and so forth. And obviously we can save when we're happy. Thank you.